Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we're going to talk about something that we haven't done in 17 years.
Back in 2001, when Steph was 15 and I still had dark hair, we installed a garage door opener right here in this space. It took us 3 long days, but we got it done.
And that garage door opener has actually worked really well. We've had no issues. We did a good job. But it's 2018 and it's time for it to become a little bit smarter.
So join us as we install this smart garage door opener.
We first unboxed the new system. The bags are color-coded, which makes it easy to identify the parts needed when following the manual. After we read the manual, we referred to Genie's website and watched their how-to video so we could read and see what we were about to do. Our video today is for entertainment purposes only. It's a quick overview of our experience with the installation of this Genie garage door opener. We started by laying out and connecting the rail system. The belt fits around the rail and we tightened it down. Then we added the motor at the end of the rail. During this build, we needed a variety of sockets, wrenches, and screwdrivers. Make sure you collect these before you get started. Before we could do anything else, we had to remove the old garage door opener. We followed the process of what we were about to do, but in reverse. We removed the bolts from each end and worked as a team to get it down safely. Then we added the support for the new rail and attached the system to the bracket, first to the wall, then to the motor support. We realized our existing angle iron was too far away from our unit. We measured where we needed to cut the angle iron, took it down, and cut it to a shorter length with our reciprocating saw and metal cutting blade. We attached the angle iron to the bracket and attached the unit. All the screws and parts we're using here were included with the garage door system. Next, we removed the old safety sensors and attached the new sensors and attached the wiring. These need to be placed in the exact position so they can see each other. Then we fed the other end of the sensor wire to the motor and connected them. Lastly, we removed the old wall opener button by popping the front section off and unscrewing it from the wall. I removed the 2 wires. We realized the new wall button was smaller than the old, so we decided to paint a little purple around it, which matches the door. We let that dry and finished up the wall mounting. We added the light bulbs and the covers and plugged in the unit. Before turning it on, we went through the programming steps, which is really straightforward. Here we're setting the down position and then the up. And it's ready to go. What we learned. Before you get a garage door opener, there's just a couple things you want to consider. The first thing is to measure the height of your door. So our door is actually 8 feet tall. And when we started with the install, we realized that we needed an extension to make this garage door opener fully work. We didn't have time to get the extension, so the door works. It just doesn't fully open when we open the door, which is not a huge deal, but we'll probably get that extension in the future so that it opens nice and fully. Also check the wiring that you currently have, and you may be able to use it for your new garage door opener. So if you look on the sides of your garage door, you're gonna see these 2 little beams, little safety beams. They have to see each other in order for the door to open and close correctly. Well, there's wiring on those, so check to see if that's wiring that you can reuse for your new system. If not, you have to do a little bit of rewiring, which is not a huge issue, but check, because if you can reuse it, then that will save you a lot of time. And the third thing is, make sure you get some light bulbs for your garage door opener while you're getting the opener, so that when you come to the step to add the bulbs, you're ready to go.
Like we said, the very first one we installed took us about 3 days. This took us about 4 hours. We had planned on the entire day, but it went very quickly. Plan for more time than you think it's going to take in case you run into some problem. If you run into a problem, take a break, go to the video, read back through the instructions, and then get back to it.
The biggest reason we wanted this new garage door opener is for the smart features. Mom now has the app on her phone where she can just click and the door will open. And when she clicks it, because she can open it from anywhere, so when she clicks it, the garage door itself right here will actually beep and the lights will come on, and that will just indicate if there's someone in the garage, you'll know that the door is about to open or close. And you'll also, once it's fully closed or fully open, you'll get an alert on your phone so you know for sure that the status of your door. She shared the garage door opener with me so I can open and close her garage door as well. And I'll only use that feature for good, not evil, I promise. I promise.
You know, I really do like that feature because I'm one of those people that, you know, I drive away from my house and I'm not sure I close my garage door. This way I know for sure it's closed, it's down. I don't have to go back to my house.
Yeah.
Anyone else done that? The thing that surprised me most about this garage opener was how quiet it was. I had no idea that the garage door openers could be that quiet.
Yeah. We do want to thank the Home Depot for sponsoring today's project. They provided us with the garage door opener, and we are doing a full year of smart home products with them. We're actually towards the end of the year. We've had a lot of cool products we got to check out this year, so a big shout out and thank you to them. And if you like this project and want to see more from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaugghterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube. Click the bell and you'll be alerted to all our new projects. Okay, let's try it again.
Can you tell I've got something in this eye floating around? Okay. Because it's really annoying me. And by that I mean you. Sonia.